Assalamu alaikum. It's me, Adel Mursi, and now you are watching the first lesson in Arabic course. This Arabic course, it is for anyone who want to be fluent in Arabic language. Fluent, it's mean what? It's mean to be master in listening, in reading, in writing, in speaking. All of this. If you watch this course and follow instructions, I promise you will be fluent in Arabic language. This course requires that you already know the Arabic reading. If you don't know the Arabic reading, I recommend for you this course. You can see the link in description. It's my course for teaching Arabic reading from scratch to read anything in Arabic, to be master in Arabic reading. This course, it's based on interactive learning. Interactive learning, it's mean I will tell you, read, stop the video and read. I will tell you, stop the video and give the answer. Stop the video and listen. Stop the video and give the answer of this question. Stop the video and talk. Please follow my instructions. It is based on the plan of interactive learning. If you follow the instruction and watch the video, I promise that you'll be fluent in Arabic. Please, it is like online course. Please take this at your mind, and I will remind you in the videos too. You can watch maximum 2 videos per day. More than this, it is not recommended. With patience and discipline, you will reach your goals and you will fluent in Arabic language. It's a promise. It is not the first time I teach this. If you don't know who the instructor is, you can watch the link in description about the video about me. Who am I? Who is an instructor? Now, let's begin. Bismillah. Let's start.